Welcome viewers. We now studied about the psychological statistics. In this study, we have finding raw scores, converts to Z scores, T scores and percentile scores in SPSS. In SPSS, you know, statistical package of the social science. In this famous software, you know, we can now understand about the standard scores. Standard score or Z score that comes from the score range +3 to -3. T score, that is the standard score, comes from the normal 80 to 20, and ETS score, educational testing service score, 800 to 200. Deviations IQ score 148 to 58, and percentile score 99.87 to 0.30. Before we studied the raw score convert to Z score, we can know about the mean of score. The mean is the arithmetic average of a group of scores. That is, the scores are added up and divided by the number of scores. And also we have understand about the standard deviations. The formula you see, in the SPS software, we now studied this one. In this, we can finding the Z score. Now with the descriptive in the column of the SPSS, we now go to the this variable side. You see, also tick this one, and then option you see, this no need, minimum and maximum no need. We have now understand the mean of the score, mean of the raw score, and the standard deviations. So we can, this is basic to learn this, calculate the Z score. Okay, we continue, and then we can put this score. You can see the raw score, the Z score. You see, this is the you see plus or minus. You see, this is the middle point 9, because the middle point -1, -1.48629. You see, this is the middle point. What is the middle point? Plus or minus in the junction of C, that is the Z score. You see, and then we go to the studying the T score. You can put the name of the place. You see, this score and then we put it in this manner. Ten into z score. This is z score. You put it this z score here. Z score here, and then we can add it plus. You see plus, and then you added between 50 you can measure the t-score variable. You see you see the t-score variable. You see variable t-score. You see, and then we can finding about this percentile score. You see, before we finding the percentile score, in the score, the score will be changed into the raw ranking. See, ranking here, raw score is ranking here. You can put this one here, rank types. You see rank, you can continue the rank, standard, okay. You see, you see the rank of the raw score. You see the first rank is 9 was the first rank. You see the last one, the 10th, you see 83 10th rank. 9th 77. You see is the rank of the score. You see this one Z score. How we finding the Z score? The T score is equal to 50 plus 10 into Z score. You see 50 plus 10 into Z score. in the percentile score, now we are going into this place. And then we studied about the last one. We see compute variable. You see percentile. Now we change. How it is possible we change? You see this one, this percentile formula, ranking cases minus 0.5 divided by number of samples into 100. You see, this is the same way we do this one. If we put into the rank this one, and then minus, you see this minus 0.5, okay, and then we put in the outer place division divided by the sample. How many sample? 10 samples, you see. Okay, we can do 10 and 10, and then close the bracket, and multiply 100. You can equally this one, another bracket, you see this one, ranking score minus 0.5 and division by 10, this sample, multiply 100, you see. Okay, we can see now the variable percentile score. Percentile score we have, if we compare the group, you can do this one, raw score change into Z score or T score. This is important in the psychological study, in the psychological statistics we can use. Okay, thank you viewers.